Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can cut audio in CapCut. Let's get to it. Here I have created a project in CapCut and I have imported my audio as well. And as you can see that the audio is longer than the video, so we have to cut this audio. So the first thing we should do is click on the audio like this and click on the audio again until the section is active. And we can go right or we can go left to place this separator to the part of the audio that we want to cut, and I'm going to place the separator right here, and after that we can click on split button and then click on a delete to remove the unwanted part of this audio. So just tap on delete. Alright, and as you can see that the audio has been cut, and actually there is another way to cut the audio. We can click on the audio like this, and we can drag it. Wait guys, we can drag it to cut the audio like this. Alright. Okay guys, and that's how we can cut audio in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.